Today we are show you how do you clean and care for your Descent Mark II. Descent series is a powerful dive computer that you can not only use it as a smartwatch but also wear it to do various activities. To preserve the appearance of your device and to avoid possible skin irritation, we recommend avoiding exposure to the following chemicals: insect repellents, sanitizers, perfumes, soaps, oils, moisturizing creams and lotion, sunscreens. We recommend regularly cleaning your device band to prevent the buildup of sweat and other particles or residue. To remove residue from lotions, sunscreens, insect repellents and so on, use rubbing alcohol and a lint-free cloth, followed by rinsing with water. After diving, we suggest that you soak your watch in the water for a while and press all the buttons several times. It can reduce salt residing on the watch surface. Now we have shown you how to clean and take care of your Descent MK series. While maintenance is very easy, the durability of the product will reduce without proper care. For more help, please go to support.garmin.com.